Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can save a Wix site without publishing it. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, just go here to the left and then you're going to find all of these sections. And if you go to the bottom here, you're going to find edit site. So go ahead and click on edit site and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once here, just wait for this page to load. This is basically going to be the Wix website editor. So once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. As you can see guys here in the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to design and customize your site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to add elements. So here you can add a text element, you can add an image, button, strip, and so on. You can also use the search tool to search for specific things you want to add. Here, you're going to find the option to add a section. Right here, you're going to find pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS, and lastly, marketing and SEO. So right now, once you finish customizing your site, if you want to save it without publishing it, just go here to the top right. Here you're going to find save and publish. So make sure you just click on save to save all of your changes. And if you want to publish it, just click on publish right here. And then you're going to be able to go live. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.